Hi, I'm Craig from Furniture Clinic, and in this video I'm going to show you our complete repair kit. The perfect solution to repair holes, scuffs, scratches and more on any type of leather or vinyl to create professional, long-lasting and durable repairs like this. So with the included easy to follow instructions, anyone can achieve great repairs. It even comes with a small practice piece so you can recreate the damage and practice your repair first. You can easily tackle damage such as scuffs, scratches, rips, burns, faded leather and loss of colour, splits, cuts, holes, cat scratches and any other type of damage you can think of. It's a two-part process that allows you to prepare and repair the damage using our specialist glue and flexible filler before restoring the colour into the surrounding area. As mentioned before, our products are used by professional leather technicians and repairers around the globe, and they have been tested by BLC Leather Technology Centre and exceed British and European standards. They are designed with strength and longevity in mind. Take this filled hole for example. The strength of this filler is unbelievable. It will not crack out from the edges even when forced. In real life, leather doesn't come under this sort of stress, yet it remains soft and flexible enough to move naturally with the leather, giving you the confidence that the repair with our products will not only last long, but feel good. It's really easy to use this kit. After using the prep pad to prepare the area, apply the repair sub patch if the damage has gone all the way through the leather. Just manoeuvre it into place. Using the easy to dispense leather glue, secure it to the back of the leather. Fill out any damage or missing leather with a heavy filler. Multiple thin coats are best, drying between coats. And finally apply the colour, again dabbing several coats over the damage to blend it in. The colour is super strong when dry, sealing itself so it won't scuff, scratch or peel off. The kit is available in 12 different base colours which can be easily tweaked to match the colour of your leather. As a pro tip, our colour has been specially formulated to recreate the grain pattern in leather, helping you create near invisible repairs. This will give your results that professional touch. So that's our leather and vinyl complete repair kit, a simple, easy to use solution to fix various types of damage using professional products to achieve good looking, long lasting results. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the section below and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.